Hello all, and thank you for tuning back into my channel, Anything Automotive, where I'm trying to review anything automotive. So today I wanted to follow on from a video I did last week around the features within the new 2025 model facelift BMW 4 Series. As I've said previously, this is a 2024 model obviously, but they call it the 2025 model. Don't know why. Happy to have your comments in the comments section to tell me what your thoughts are around that. So today I thought I'd do a dashboard, all about the dashboard. Last week iDrive, this week dashboard, to show you what this has differently to what the previous years have. And the previous year had the LED dashboard. This is just a little bit the next series up. Some of the functions are the same, some are different, some are better, some are not. So just a quick basic overview of what we've got at the minute. So the car is switched off, as you can see. We've got down the left hand corner, we've got the fuel gauge, the range and the time. In the center there you've got your how many miles the vehicle's done, and then you've got your outside temperature and the car temperature gauge. And then in the center we've got the map view, which is blank because the car is switched off. So if we switch the car on, see the dashboard totally changes. You get all your warning lights as you would when the car switches on. So with regards to this dashboard, you can have several different layouts. So you can change the content of the layout, so you have just the direction you're traveling in. You can have your trip meters up all the time. You can just have your speedo. You can have the larger content map that I generally have. You can have a G meter, or you just have your function showing you what music you're playing. I generally have the expanded view of the sat nav because it gives me more overview of what's going on, and which is that one, sorry. To the right of that you can see the layout. This basically takes you into different layouts for the vehicle, so you can see different layouts of different screens on there. I generally say go for that one because it gives me more view. With this map view as well, what you do get when you're driving is when you've got the sat nav up, it will give you within this center screen, it will give you red, amber and green, showing you when the road is blocked, slow, etc. It'll also tell you when you've got a junction coming up, as you would expect, so you can have a reduced view on your dashboard rather than having it on your main iDrive screen. Also on here as well, you've got your heads up display function to the right of that. Don't think that'll show up on the camera properly, but I've got some pictures I'll put up. So on the heads up display you can have your speed camera warning. This is a fixed camera warning, not mobile camera warning. So this is a subscription, roughly £20 to £25 a year. Don't quote me on that. Go and check out your BMW app and it will tell you on your Connected Drive app what it costs. I thoroughly recommend that. That identifies 95% of the fixed cameras. Really good, gets you out of trouble. You can also get on this screen as well, it will tell you on the heads up display, it will tell you again when you've got a corner coming up or a roundabout coming up when you've got the sat nav on. So that's a really good function. It tells you how far you've got to go to that junction. You can also control your radio stations up on there as well, so you can press a button on a steering wheel, bring your radio stations up, and then you can change your radio station, which I find really good. Back to the center console here, and you can also have when you're doing your map view, you can press your BC button here and it will bring up your trip meters and you can select through them. So on that one it just gives you miles to gallon, how many miles the car's done. You can have since factory, individual, so it's doing there and then for a particular trip, since refuel. So there you go. Yeah, so and when you go on since refuel, it will reset every time you refuel. Everything on there apart from your total miles will reset, so just be aware of that. So that is it really for today's video. I just wanted to show everybody what the difference is on these dashboards. Like I say, some good, some better, some the same, some not so good. Everybody's preference is going to be different, but I think it's okay. I think it's a little bit of a better step forward. Somebody did say to me the other day on my iDrive video, wow, that's a big screen, what if it goes wrong? Totally agree. Hopefully if it's going to go wrong, it's going to go wrong during warranty, but I'm sure it's not going to go wrong. Anyway, thanks again for taking the time out to watch my video. I am going to do a video of me driving the vehicle, doing a full review, driving the vehicle and a full overview of the vehicle. Just haven't had time today. It will come. Keep subscribed to the channel, put your notifications on, then you'll see when this is coming, and then I'll continue to do videos. I am going to do some videos of from other vehicles, so keep an eye out for that. I don't get press cars, unfortunately, so I have to find the vehicles, friends, family, etc. But there will be some more things and reviews coming up. Thanks again. Hope this was insightful. Ask questions, turn your notifications on. Thank you all. Catch you soon.